In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page 100 times here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, there is no really quick way that we can do this because we have to copy and paste and or duplicate. Now, depending on what layout you're using as well, will depend on how quick you can do this. Now, on this layout, where we have the pages like this, to duplicate 100 times, we'd simply have to come to duplicate just here and then go through doing that 100 times. But as you can see, that would actually take quite a while. Now let's change the layout because some are faster than others. So if we come down here to the right hand side and click on thumbnail view, we now have our pages underneath, which means all we have to do is simply copy and paste. Now on Mac, this is Command and C to copy and then Command and V to paste. On Windows, it's Control and C to copy and then Control and V to paste. So if we come back over to here, we're going to click onto that page and then we can simply copy and then paste 100 times. Now once you've copied once, you don't have to copy it, so we can just keep going through like that until we have 100 pages. Now, like I said, that's one way. This way is probably going to be the fastest, but then if we come back down to the right hand corner and click on grid view, we can do it this way as well. So if we click onto the page we want to copy and paste, we're going to do Command C because again, I'm on Mac, and then all we have to do is Command V and we can go through just like that until we have 100 pages. So, as you can see, it is pretty easy to duplicate 100 pages, but it does take a little bit of time. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.